dermatologist now. This food. Nice. Just left the dentist. Busy, busy day. Now I'm about to have a peel, a chemical peel. There's my things right there. I'm gonna go ahead and have a chemical peel on my face, on my blush spot. And so far, so good. Let's do this.
And what is your routine? I don't want to give you like 10 steps.
I went to school in Germany years ago, you know. That's so good. Oh yeah. Palm Beach is just so close to the, you were so close to the beach.
Okay, so I'm back in the car. I just left Blush Spa. I had a chemical peel and a face analysis. The staff was amazing. I recommend that you guys should come here to get your work done. I am in Windermere, and it looks just like this. Here it is. The staff was great. The owner was even better, you know, and she came in and did all my work. Thank you so much to Blush Spa. You guys rock. Okay, let's go. Now I'm at Bonefish for lunch with my honey bun. I've been running all day. If you like this vlog, give me a thumbs up. This is a day in the life of Mr. Traveler 𝐸𝑚𝑎𝑧𝑖𝑛𝑔. And this is what my skin is looking like. It's looking really crazy right now, but it's gonna peel over the 3 days. So I was told that it's gonna be looking like this. I'm not even supposed to be in the sun, so let's go. Okay, so the Perfect Derma Kit comes with the home box set. It comes with a post peel moisturizer. It also comes with SPF 30, which you would need during your peel if you live in a sunny state like I do in Florida. It also comes with post towelettes that you have to use, and this is what the towelettes look like. I've already used that one. And it's like a yellow orange type of solution on there, and I would recommend not to wear white if you're going to have this done. It also comes with the Perfect Cleanser, which you can use to wash your face. Let me make home here. This is what you're going to use for 7 days, 7 to 10 days, and you have to stretch it out. As you can see, I've been using it. But you want to definitely try to stretch that out because you're going to need it for 7 days. And most importantly, instructions. Here's mine. So this is the whole Derma Kit home system, and this is what you get inside the kit. Okay, so here's my skin on day 2. I just woke up. It is peeling really bad. But it's not really irritating. It looks worse than it feels. All these will be peeled away, all this. I'm excited. I can't wait till the next procedure. So this is day 2. Here I am on day 3 and I'm starting to peel a little bit more. My skin feels tight and a little itchy, and if it usually feels really itchy, I have to use this. This is the Post Moisturizer. It has hydroquinone in it, and it helps soothe and calm the skin down. And I would say you would need about 2 or 3 of these treatments for it to work. Lovely to have clear skin, and each pop is $2.95. So it'll be $1,400 if you want great skin. And this is what it looks like. Day 4. Very itchy. And I use this when it does itch. I just woke up and it's peeling quite a bit today. Excuse the lawnmowers in the back. Okay. It is really peeling. Day 4. This is what I'm looking like. Wow. Okay, so I decided to go to the show. That's probably the only place I can go, but my husband want to play putt-putt golf. So we're going to go play putt-putt golf, but I have an umbrella and a hoodie. And I'm really not supposed to be in the sun, but I'm putting protection on my face every 2 hours. So I wouldn't recommend to be outside in the entire week of the peel. But if you have to go out, wear a hoodie and get an umbrella, because I can't be in the house every day. I gotta get outside. But this is how I look outside. I have on a hoodie, and it's about, how many degrees would you say it is?
I think it's like 83 or something.
About 83 degrees. I'm sweating in this hoodie, but you know what? I have to protect my skin. So this is the kind of things we have to go through. This is what it's looking like. It's peeling. Wow, that look crazy, don't it? Things we women do. I know I'm looking all crazy out here with this hoodie on, but I found these really cute jerseys. This is mine. And this is Mr. Curly. He picked that one up, so we're gonna grab these also as well. Hey.
Security tag on it. There's not.
Yep.
Not all of them have one for some reason, which is ironic.
Got hold one.
It's good. Here is my skin on day 7. I had to go on a cruise. I'm on MSC Seashore for the weekend, and I waited the entire 7 days. This is actually day 8, 9, and 10. I think my skin came out really good. I'm going to have about 3 more sessions, and if you enjoyed this video and my hard work, thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Let me know you love it. Here's unfiltered pictures, and this is me in all my form, no makeup, only moisturizer. I just wanted to show you how well this peel went from my skin. I still have a few more sessions left, and I have faith that it's going to go really, really good. I'm pleased with the outcome, and I hope you love this video. Thank you so much for watching. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye, everyone.